Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your rhinestone tumbler creations. In all of my rhinestone tumbler tutorials, I explain that you should let the glue cure for 7 days before washing. So today I'm going to show you what to do once those 7 days are done. While there are some rhinestone adhesives that claim to be dishwasher safe, most of the time the actual tumblers that we rhinestone are not dishwasher safe. A lot of the time they are double walled and made of stainless steel. So even if you used a resin or a dishwasher safe adhesive, most of the time you're probably gonna have to hand wash your tumblers. Anyway, let's do it.
This is my very first wash of this Disney Castle tumbler. I finished it over a week ago, so the glue should be nice and set now. It's hard to see in the video, but there is some wax residue from the wax pencil I used to pick up the rhinestones all over the cup, as well as some dried excess adhesive on the stones and on the holographic vinyl. This first wash will get all of that gunk off, so it will be nice and sparkly. You definitely want to do this before gifting or selling any of your creations. To wash your cup, you need some dish soap and some sort of scrubby bristled brush. I'm using this small nail brush. Run your water until it's nice and hot, and then rinse your cup under the water so that the whole surface is wet. Then you can apply a generous amount of dish soap and use your bristle brush to give everything a really good scrub all over. Make sure you get into the nooks in between each stone, and you can work in circular and back and forth motions. If your stones have been attached properly, you should be able to use a good amount of pressure without any stones coming off. Once the entire surface has been thoroughly scrubbed, you can rinse off all of the soap suds and clean the inside of the tumbler and the lid with dish soap just like any other dish. Once you're done, you can gently pat it dry with a towel and then leave it out to air dry overnight. Again, it's hard to see in the camera, but I find the Gem-Tac adhesive I use turns white in between the stones when I wash it. This is just temporary, and after it dries overnight, it looks clear again in the morning, so don't panic. I certainly did the first time. The next day, your tumbler should be super duper sparkly. This video showed my first wash after making the tumbler, but you can do this exact same process anytime your tumbler needs to be washed. I don't wash the outside of my tumblers as often as I wash the inside, but I do try to give the outside a good scrub every now and then to keep them clean and sparkly. And that's all there is to it.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later.